Cats have many behaviors that can be puzzling to their owners, and one of the most common is their tendency to rub against furniture before rubbing against their human companions. At first glance, this might seem like a simple, harmless act of stretching or a routine display of affection. However, there is much more going on beneath the surface when cats engage in this behavior. The act of rubbing, whether it is against furniture or their human, is deeply rooted in feline instincts, communication, and territorial behavior. It involves a combination of marking territory, expressing affection, and engaging in self-soothing behaviors. To understand why cats rub against furniture before rubbing against you, it is necessary to explore the role of scent, the biological mechanisms behind rubbing, and the social and territorial dynamics that influence this behavior. At its core, rubbing is a form of scent marking. Cats have scent glands located on various parts of their bodies, including their cheeks, chin, forehead, and the base of their tail. These scent glands are used for marking territory, communicating with other cats, and establishing bonds with other animals, including humans. When a cat rubs its face or body against an object, such as furniture or a person, it deposits a unique chemical marker that is invisible to the human eye but highly detectable to other cats and animals. This scent serves to claim the object as part of the cat's territory and communicate its presence to others. The scent left behind can contain information about the cat's identity, health, and emotional state. The reason cats often rub against furniture before rubbing against their owners is tied to the natural order of how they interact with their environment. Furniture, as part of the cat's home territory, serves as a focal point for scent marking. By rubbing against a piece of furniture, a cat reinforces its ownership of the space, ensuring that any other cats or animals in the vicinity are aware that the area belongs to them. This is particularly important in multi-cat households or in homes where there are other pets. In the wild, cats use scent to establish their territory and avoid conflicts with other cats. By rubbing against objects around the house, a domestic cat signals that the area is already claimed and establishes a sense of security. Another reason cats may rub against furniture first is that they are engaging in a behavior known as bunting or head bunting. When a cat rubs its face or head against an object, it is not just marking its territory with its scent but also performing an act of social bonding. Bunting is often seen between cats that share a close relationship, such as mother and kitten or two cats that have formed a bond. This behavior is a way for cats to reaffirm their connection with each other and to share their scent. When a cat rubs its face against furniture, it is essentially marking the space with its scent and claiming it as part of its territory, but it is also preparing to interact with a human or another animal in the home. The act of rubbing against furniture also has a physical component. Cats have flexible spines and use their ability to twist and stretch as part of their daily routine to maintain physical health. Rubbing against furniture can serve as a stretching exercise, allowing the cat to loosen its muscles, stretch its body, and relieve tension. This stretching behavior can be particularly important when a cat wakes up from a nap or after spending time in a confined space. In this sense, rubbing against furniture can be a form of self-care, allowing the cat to feel physically comfortable and limber before moving on to other activities, such as seeking attention from their human companions. In many cases, cats will rub against furniture first because it allows them to warm up before engaging with their human companions. The furniture serves as a safe, neutral object that the cat can use to express its territorial claims and physical needs. Once the cat has rubbed against the furniture, it is more likely to rub against you as a form of social interaction. Cats are highly social animals, and rubbing against their owners is a way of expressing affection, seeking attention, and reinforcing the bond between cat and human. After marking the furniture, the cat may feel comfortable enough to approach you and share its scent as a way of indicating familiarity and trust. There is also a psychological component to this behavior. Cats, like many animals, can experience a sense of security and comfort through routine and familiarity. By rubbing against furniture first, cats may be engaging in a ritual that helps them establish their place in the home and feel more comfortable in their surroundings. This behavior may also be linked to the cat's need for personal space and control over its environment. Rubbing against furniture allows the cat to assert ownership of the area, which can create a sense of calm and stability. Once the cat has confirmed its territory, it may feel more at ease and ready to interact with its human companions. Another factor that may explain why cats rub against furniture before rubbing against their owners is related to scent transfer. When a cat rubs against furniture, it deposits its scent, which can serve as a signal to other cats or animals in the home. If the cat then rubs against you, it may be transferring its scent to you, marking you as part of its social group. This scent transfer is an important aspect of feline communication, as it helps cats define their relationships with each other and with their human companions. By rubbing against furniture first, the cat may be preparing you to be part of its marked territory, reinforcing the bond and making the interaction more comfortable and familiar. The timing of when a cat rubs against furniture can also be influenced by its emotional state. Cats that are feeling content, comfortable, or relaxed may engage in rubbing behavior more frequently, as it serves as a way of expressing their sense of well-being. A cat that is feeling stressed or uncertain may be less likely to engage in this behavior, or it may focus more on scent marking rather than bonding. In multi-cat households, cats may rub against furniture first as a way of maintaining their space and avoiding potential conflicts with other cats. In such environments, furniture serves as a neutral space that can help reduce tension and create a sense of balance before interacting with other cats or humans. In some cases, cats may rub against furniture first because of the way the environment is structured. If a cat's favorite spot for rubbing or stretching is located near a piece of furniture, the cat may naturally begin by rubbing against it before moving on to other areas. Cats are creatures of habit and tend to follow specific patterns when interacting with their environment. If rubbing against the furniture is part of their routine, they may engage in this behavior first simply because it is what they are accustomed to doing. The furniture may act as a familiar object that the cat uses to start its daily activities before interacting with other members of the household. While rubbing against furniture before rubbing against you is a normal behavior, it is important for cat owners to understand that it does not necessarily indicate any issues with the cat's affection or attachment. It is simply part of the cat's natural process of marking territory, stretching, and preparing to engage socially. Cats often have complex social structures and behaviors that may seem mysterious to us, but they are deeply rooted in the cat's instincts and communication methods. Cats rub against furniture before rubbing against their owners as part of a complex set of behaviors related to territory marking, scent communication, physical stretching, and social bonding. Rubbing against furniture allows the cat to establish its territory, assert ownership over its space, and prepare for social interaction. Once the cat has performed this ritual, it feels more comfortable and ready to engage with its human companions. This behavior is a natural and instinctual part of a cat's daily routine, helping them maintain their physical health, reinforce social bonds, and communicate with the other animals and humans in their environment. Understanding the reasons behind this behavior can help cat owners better appreciate the nuances of feline communication and strengthen the bond with their furry companions.